Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. Now, one of them is so incredibly exciting. I'm like too excited. It kind of knocks my socks off, especially now because I'm having babies. We'll talk about that in a minute. But I have 3 items to share with you today. The first one is really fun. We'll kind of go in order. It is lots of birthday to stamp. Now, I know, and you all know, the most popular cards we make tend to be birthdays. And a lot of times you just don't have enough sentiments for your cards. Because, you know, you're like, oh, I've already used that one. I've used that one. I've used that one. Well, this one is all about birthdays. So it's called Lots of Birthday to Stamp. And it has a big, solid, happy birthday. Celebrate. It's your special day. Birthday wishes, blow out the candles, eat all the cake, open the presents, and celebrate. Wishing you a seriously super duper birthday, party on, and yay, it's your birthday. Fun, fun, fun. So that's one item I have to share with you today. The next item, and we're going to do my absolute favorite last. The next item, and I know this looks funny, it looks like nothing because I don't have the sample to share with you, but I have lots of samples my design team created. But this die set is all about words, and it's called Fancy That because one of the words in there is Fancy That. There's also thank you. There's also happy retirement, happy birthday, which I know you can't see here because I apparently lost it, and happy anniversary, which also has a shadow. So you're getting kind of like a mixture of everything you really need. And the samples, don't worry, I'm going to share the samples with you. It's going to knock your socks off. But here is the piece de la resistance. I totally don't even know if I said that right or wrong. Anyway, doesn't matter. Because look at this. It is time for another dinosaur. This is our Dinosaur Pudgie. Now, so many of you have been asking for another Pudgie, and I kind of put them on hold for a little while just because I had to get all these other items out. Well, now it's time for a Pudgie. Now, this is the Dinosaur Pudgie, and this is number 28. Now, why did Stephanie come out with a Dinosaur Pudgie? Probably because her grandsons that are coming soon are both boys, twins. We need dinosaurs. We already have some dinosaurs. We have some monsters. But this dinosaur is a Dinosaur Pudgie, so it's very important to me. So I have a ton of samples to share with you. Now, I have literally a stack of samples to share. Now, if I go too fast on any of these samples, don't worry. You can go to our online gallery and see them, print them out, favorite them, whatever you like. Also, club members, of course, you get the club discount on all of these products I'm sharing with you today. So here's one whose balloon is a little messed up, so we're going to fix that balloon really quick. This one says, wishing you a seriously super duper birthday. And we're going to open that up, and it even has a saying on the inside. Isn't that fun? Here's one using our cake fold it. Today is your special day, and on the inside it has that nice big one. Blow out the candles, eat all the cake, open the presents, and celebrate. Now here at the bottom, it says celebrate, it's your special day. And then, oh, this one I love. Look at how fantastically large that is, but it's still thin, so it's nice. And it says, yay, it's your birthday. Now, let's look at those Fancy That words. Here's one that I just happened to cut out. It says, thank you. So it's going to give you an idea of what these look like. Here's the happy retirement. Isn't that fun? Now, retirement is a really, I get at the shows and everything. One of the die sets I get the most requests for is Happy Retirement because apparently there's hardly any out there. Now we have a couple, but here's another one added to this kit. So here's Happy Retirement. There's Thank You. This one's my favorite, and this is the name of the set, Fancy That, because I just thought it'd be so fun to have a Fancy That. You know, just like, yay, Fancy That. Ooh, Happy Anniversary, another hugely requested die set. Now these are all together, so you're getting a huge, great bonus or a great value. Ooh, here's this one. Look how gorgeous that is. With our exclusive Flip It. Thank you. Ooh, here's a fun one. Happy Birthday. You're going to use these over and over. Happy Retirement. Again, very important. And here's a thank you. Happy Birthday with a little wobbly. You got to love those action wobbles. Happy Anniversary. Oh, here's a cute one. Fancy that, I'm tickled pink, which, you know, I'm always kind of tickled pink. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Thank you. Now it's time to see our dinosaurs. Now, our dinosaurs also, I want to point out, also, not only do you get the dinosaur dies, you're also getting the word rawr, which is really fun. Then it says, happy birthday, my prehistoric friend, and howdy. So you can say happy birthday, or then say the happy birthday can be on top of each other because it's two different stamps, or side by side, whatever you want. So here we go. Rawr, I miss you, howdy. Open that up. Isn't that awesome? Ooh, here's a cute one with our little palm tree. Happy birthday. And on the inside, rawr. I love that rawr. Isn't that funny? Here's action wobble time. I'm telling you, we cannot keep those in stock. If you ever see the action wobbles on our website, buy them, because we cannot keep them in stock. Ken keeps ordering more, and I'm like, Ken, they're sold out. And he goes, I just ordered more. And I'm like, oh, we can't keep them in stock. We have them in 2 different sizes, but look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, here's another one, rawr, with the word letters going down. Oh, here's a cute one, a purple one. Doesn't that remind you of your favorite purple dinosaur? Now, Katie actually had a Barney the Dinosaur piñata at her 2nd birthday, and she loved it. It was actually taller than her. It was so cute. Ooh, pocket slider die. Are you ready for this? Happy birthday, my prehistoric friend. Isn't that fun? The pocket slider is so popular. I taught that in our class throughout this year, and it's been very popular. And here's one, rawr, again, action wobbles. You can never have too many action wobbles, am I right? Open that up. Howdy, my prehistoric friend. Oh, here's a cute one. He's dressed and ready to go to a party. Happy birthday. And here's a cute one. Wishing you the happiest birthday, with another party hat. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on all these products. Again, if I went too fast, don't worry. They're all in our online gallery. Our design team is amazing, am I right? Now, if you're not in the club, you need to join. Why? So many reasons. I can't list them all in this video. But you can be in the club for only $11.95 a month. That includes shipping, and it includes a brand new stamp set each month. Then you're getting a 15% discount on everything I showed you here, and pretty much everything on our website. I'm trying to think of something that is not included. I think everything's included now. So go check out our website, join the club so you get a 15% discount today. The nice thing about joining the club is once you join, and you click the button and say join, and you enter all your information, the computer automatically knows you're a club member, and it will automatically give you that club discount. It's like a win-win. So go check it out. Click the tab that says join the club, and club members that are already in the club, I know you love it because you're in the club. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.